Man, it seems like all the bullshit that I go through and all the hard times and the struggles that I've been through. I cannot find no real friends, man, that shit ain't true. Don't believe what you see, cause the shit ain't always true. All the hard times and struggles that I've been through, shit don't seem like it supposed to. Man, this shit ain't true. Man, I hate them lying niggas always trying to lie on me, trying to get me in trouble. What I do, I just be me. Man, I hate them bitches, man, them snitches that be lying on me. I'm like, what I do? Just let me be. I don't put my name in your mouth. Don't put my name in your mouth, cause if you do, bitch, it's gonna be some hard times you gotta go through. You fucking real nigga that clicked in their head a long time ago. I ain't going through this bullshit no more. When I see you in the streets, bitches cut throat. And I tell this to everybody who ever told. Bitch, I know you a snitch, you a hoe. Never thought I knew this shit, but bitch, you snitch. I hate that lying bitch. When I see that nigga, I'ma kill that bitch. That's on everything. That's on everything. All the hard times and struggles that I go through. Don't believe everything you see, cause shit ain't always true. And all the hard times and struggles that I go through. Don't believe everything you see, cause shit ain't always true. All the hard times and struggles that I go through.